So I am back. It is now the next day from when I made this last day, so it is now the 7th. And doing random shit once again. And just for you all, I saved this last lamp because I loaded this up, started all the lamps and one box and ammo thing, trying to find all the ammo. To realize I wasted ammo for that. Wasted one ammo for this because I got it back. Had to waste another one to see if there was the exact one. Was not. It was not this, but it was this. So in the end, I made it back. At least that one. Wow, that is quiet. You guys are back too? What the fuck? Leave. Oh my god, money! It's not really necessary, is it? What? Oh god, don't kill me. For the love of God, just don't kill me. I beg of thee. I beg of thee! Ow! Mother fuck. Ow. Fuck you stupid little bitch. Ah la la la. I think there's a thing for killing all these things without any of the people dying, but I could be completely fucking wrong about this. Will you fucking hit him? I'm in fucking pain. What the fuck? Fuck your foot. Also, did your foot hurt me? And Peace Thou has returned for a point. Wow, and I almost died. And Peace finally returned. Has Peace, can I live without dying? Well, that was fun, right? That's just a barrel of fucking awesomeness. I'm near death. That's fantastic. I just started to. Fuck your mail. My eye itches. It's annoying. Fucking leave. Alright, cool. Hey, damn, we actually went up by 11 grand. Hey, let's try this out. Why don't we? Okay, time out. Okay, my eye is now done being itchy. No, come on. Yeah. And doop, 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 doop. Oh crap! No. What the hell are these things doing on here? Get the fuck off. Whoop a doop doo, scoop doo, hop a doo, Hellberry, Lewis Clark, Faggot, Jean Grey, hop a doodle, Cotton Eye Joe. Where the fuck will you go? Stop fucking my woman. I'll have to kill you once more. Whoop, 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 whoop. Ah. Oh, please don't give me that type of angle. I beg of you. Oh my god. Ha! 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 Ha-ya! Bitch! Fuck you. Oh, that's crap. So let's see. John. Blake Lewis. John Carver. Amanda Shine. Lewis. Commando. Armando. Clark. Fuck, can't think of names after Trish. Tiffany. Aw. I'm gonna die if it's not. Oh my god. Ew. What do I get a skill point for? Skill point. Meltdown. Midtown Insanity. Go grinding and don't get hurt. Oh, damn. That actually took me quite a few tries the first time I ever done it. Answer the sub just in case that activates a cutscene. That little weird purple shit. Last time we actually, now I remember, last time we were here, we actually got the mapper. So we can see secret areas in the game.
Sorry.
Fine.
You found a hypnomatic part.
Hypnomatic?
Use all of the parts to make the hypnomatic gadget.
Okay. Hypnomatic? Okay, what in the fuck is a hypnomatic? Item. This. No. This. 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 Does it not pop up until I get the rest? Oh yeah, the mapper. That's what it looks like. Okay, how do I get to that? Matter of fact, where's... Oh, for fuck. You cannot be serious. I don't even know. How would you even attempt that? It's okay, let's see. Oh, I would not even make that. Damn it. That's unfair. Oh, at least we have a teleport, so if I forget how to do it, I'll just use that. And let's fly away to destiny. It's time to beat the enemy. 2. So let's break that. So I had a question for you guys who actually watch enough. At least you watch far enough in the video. How many of you... Wait, no. That's not the question. Wrong question. That's the question for later. Oh, God. Hi. Hal Berry and John Davison. How dare you? That's not serious, John. Are you fucking serious? The foot was still alive. What the fuck? Just die. Yes. Thank fucking God. I got health back. I am happy. I feel alive once more, and I can fly if I want to. But then I got shot in the ass. Alrighty. Give up your juicy goodness. Damn, it's another mini news. Alright, we're back on max ammo. This game, you always want to have max ammo, or you switch to another weapon that's not as great. If you run out of ammo, you might be forced to use the Sheepinator. Which, as you know, it's an awesome weapon. It just turns enemies into sheep. Not all too great once you think about it. Now I see you get the Black Sheepinator, which is like 30 times better. Yeah, sure, this will be. No, I cannot. God damn it. Shotgun. Oh my God. 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 For Christ's sake, leave me the fuck alone. Oh my God, why is there so many of you? No, but my question was, what's your favorite series on each system if you played each one? Personally, I've played every system, almost, except for like the very old ones, which are like, you know, not GameCube, Nintendo, 64, that, the Sega. Stop spawning in more of you fuckers. Are you fucking serious? Are you done? Fuck, man. Oh, and I was forced to do that, you know, if I wanted to leave the area scene. I was just doing it because they were fucking annoying and stupid. Yes, you know, it's a little bit of money, I'm still collecting it. But they officially made me poor as shit with ammo. Yeah, one shot, that's fucking fantastic. Oh my god. Oh god, no! No! Stop it! Why the fuck do you guys assholes always have to come here to kill me? There's nothing to you guys. Ow. I guess I'll have to use this. Oh, okay. So we have favorite game on your system. Yo, bitch. Hey, 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 hey. Ow! Fuck, that hurt. Fucking hell. Boink, 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 doink, hoink. Motherfucker. Oh, that's a long drop. Doop-a-doop-a-doo, doop-a-doop-a-da, habba-dabba-doo, boom. I got a mini news. Suck my mini curveballs out. Thought he died. No, just die. They're coming back to life and just die. And I'm the winner in the end. How much? I only have 5 things left. God damn it, man. I go through things so fast. Heavy Lancer is next. Then I'm gonna tell your house. No, sad day. But yes, what are your favorite games for each system? Of course, mine's evolving, usually series, I should say. So what's your favorite series for each system? For PS2, it's obviously Ratchet and Clank. One of my favorite series that they made for PS2. And then GameCube, it's probably... Do they even have a series on the GameCube? I guess Mario would have to be a series. But even then, I only liked really with Sunshine. I'm honestly trying to think if I have any favorite series on the GameCube. I think all my games are just different. If I had to pick, I think it would be Legend of Zelda then. Because I have a Zelda game. I have Wind Waker, matter of fact, because y'all know, because you see me playing it. Other than that, there's not much on the GameCube in here that's a series. If you guys know any, tell me. I'll be interested to know. I just can't think of any. And for the Xbox, it would have to be, well, believe it or not, people, believe it or not, it has to be the BioShock series. I love the BioShock series. It's probably my number one favorite one on the entire Xbox game system. The entire Xbox system. Make that 360, I should say, not the old one, because I've never played the old one all too well. I think the only time I played it was a long time ago, and that was at Kmart. And it was absolutely alright. The one I played the most was like some weird party type game thing. I don't know. Main thing I remember that you were inside a ball in one of the mini games, and you had to knock the other opponents off by rolling into them, and then you had to knock them off the stage. And that's what I did. That was like probably my #1 favorite minigame, when I remember. I guess I shouldn't say minigame because the game was made to be like that, so I guess I can't say minigame. So I guess it was. So I guess I can't say it was minigames, but it was whatever. It kind of looked like minigames to me. Cool, nothing was in that. So there was that, and then let's see on the PS3. I'm not gonna say Ratchet and Clank because that's just a series I count from. I guess I should technically say Ratchet and Clank because it's still on the Sony station, but no. Oh man, that's actually a hard question. Whoa, that's cool. We're gonna place the spider box now. And I don't remember what happens when this thing gets upgraded, but I think it becomes purple. Stop hitting me. Stop that hit to me, don't make more of these. And what do you know, I won. What is that? Oh, there's apples up there. Oh man, there was a... I don't know what to say for the PS3. I mean, I could say God of War, but then that means I could also say the same for the fucking PS2 then. When my favorite is just Ratchet and Clank. But if I had to pick a game, from what I remember so far, it would probably have to be maybe Infamous. Because I like the Infamous games, they're fun and enjoyable. And I think I'll throw all the stuff in here, make a new video, because it's probably already at 16-something minutes. Just die, for fucking God, just die. Damn, I make a lot of money here fast. I already made $9 grand. That's just from destroying shit. And where are you? Oop. There we go. If I remember correctly, I think that in order for the shield to power up, it has to get hit a lot. Which is kind of different from all the other weapons since, you know, they kind of have to just they have to be fired and kill an enemy. This one just has to be hit a lot, which takes a while. As you know, it has nothing in its bar. But I do remember it becomes, I think, strong as hell also later on. So who knows? Well, let's make a new video right now.